Can a situationship really turn into something? Tired, very tired. But like, don't do that. बहुत मजाक उड़ता है बाद में. Why do teenagers act differently online? Hi everyone, hope you all are doing absolutely amazing, and today we are making a Q&A video, but this is the teenage edition because okay, this is my last year of being a teenager. I am turning 20, you guys, and I felt like I should definitely like make a Q&A video for you guys because questions hai jo teenagers ke man mein chal rahe hote hain but they really don't talk about it. So I'll be answering a few questions because मेरे को इतना experience तो हो गया है teenage life का so that I can answer your questions. So let's go. Okay, so the first question that we have is what makes a guy instantly unattractive? Okay, for me, the one who used to smoke and drink, it's like a instant turn off me. In teenage, mostly log cool बनने के लिए they used to smoke and drink in front of their friends. But trust me, this is not cool at all. Like when you're in your 20s and in your 21, you'll get to know that this is not cool at all. And अगर आप किसी को impress करने के लिए कर रहे हो, then this is like literally one of the biggest turn off for girls. So for me, it's the boys who smoke and drink and disrespect other girls. Because so there's like a thin line between a joke and disrespecting someone. So boys should know the difference between them because if you are really disrespecting a girl, it's just like the biggest turn off for girls. Not just me, like obviously किसको किसी लड़की को पसंद होगा like a guy is disrespecting her. So yeah, this is the thing that makes boys instantly unattractive. Girls actually notice the little things guys do to impress them. Okay, the answer is yes. Like we know if a guy like really likes us and he's doing his thing and we just pretend like that, oh हमें नहीं पता actually आप जो भी कर रहे हो, liking all our Instagram stories and if you're replying on our stories, we don't really know that you likes us but we know that they likes us, but it's just that we don't want to ask them because we don't like making the situation awkward. लड़कियों की gut feeling is like very strong, I'm telling you, because I know if there's someone who likes me and he haven't like told me, even after that I know that yeah, he likes me, and after some time he's like okay, I really like you. So it's a yes because girls really know that if a boy is trying to impress her. What do girls actually talk about during sleepovers? ये पक्का किसी लड़के ने पूछा है क्वेश्चन. I don't know why boys think that girls only talk about boys. Like a girls sleepover is a safe place, like where you can discuss anything. It's not just कि हाँ हम लड़कों की ही बातें करते हैं. Girls talk about their personal feelings, about what's going on in their life, and if there's anything that is bothering them. बस लड़कों की बातें नहीं होती. There are like a lot of things that girls used to discuss with each other. What makes someone instantly attractive without being beautiful or handsome? If I'll talk about someone, like whether it's a girl or a boy, तो जो चीज़ किसी को instantly attractive बनाती है is like their personality, like the way they are treating other person, मतलब किस तरीके से they are respectful or not. For me, if someone is like treating me very nicely, then of course he's like a nice person. And if they don't know how to talk and बहुत ही बदतमीजी से बात कर रहे हैं, then of course I would like to talk to them. So this is one thing that makes a person like instantly attractive. Like if you're talking to someone nicely and if you're treating them the right way, then of course it's like a +1. Why do teenagers act differently online versus in real life? Like they act different on social media because वहाँ पे उनको cool दिखना होता है, उनको followers चाहिए होता है, so yeah, they're doing this, they're doing that. But in real, there's like another side of teenagers. So I suggest don't do that. Like don't do that. बहुत मजाक उड़ता है बाद में. like you're doing this and then बाद में people used to talk like कि अरे यार ये तो Instagram पे ऐसा था, in real life this is what the real personality of the person is. So don't do that just to impress someone. A few people who like to impress, gain popularity, that's why they are different on social media, and when you meet them in real life they are like a different person, which is the actual side of them. I suggest कि don't judge people on the basis of how they are on their social media. If you haven't met them in person, so I don't think so. आप उनको जानते भी अच्छी तरीके से, तो just don't judge anyone on the basis of their Instagram profiles and everything. मेरे को legit हंसी आ रही है, बताइए. Can boys and girls be just friends without any feelings involved? That's kind of true, like not like all of the time, but it's mostly true because suppose like you're a boy and then there's a girl, you're best friends, so of course you're spending all of your time together mostly. So yeah, it's very normal to have feeling towards that person, and most of the cases में ऐसे होता ही है कि हाँ okay, मैंने बहुत सुना that they were best friends and they started dating and doing like blah blah blah. Yeah, it's very normal in teenage. Like if you are friends then you can like catch feelings for each other. It's not that कि हमेशा ही हर अगर कोई लड़का और लड़की दोस्त है then they'll end up dating each other. ऐसा नहीं है. Most of the cases में they can be good friends as well. पर हाँ 70% of cases में like they started dating, जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है. Do looks really matter in teenage relationship, or is it just a myth? If we'll talk about teenage relationship, then yeah, I guess looks really matter because they really want their partner to be attractive. But yeah, if you're like not a grown up teenager, but हाँ, you're mature enough, then I don't think so. If you really love someone, then looks should really matters to you, because I don't think so. Looks matters for me if I really love someone. That's like nothing. So looks kind of matters in teenage, but when you cross your teenage, when you're actually like a mature person and you actually started loving someone, I don't really think so that looks really matters. So the next question that we have is, why do boys take so long to reply to text even if they like you? मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ, ये अभी चला है कि हाँ मैं बहुत थोड़ी देर बाद रिप्लाई करूँगा, बिकॉज ऑफकोर्स आजकल एवरी वन इज़ लाइक ओ मैं भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हूँ, एंड अगर मैंने उसको जल्दी रिप्लाई कर दिया देन शी विल थिंक कि अरे ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा डेस्परेट है और समथिंग लाइक दैट. नॉट जस्ट बॉयज बट लाइक एवरी वन डज दैट. लाइक अगर इंस्टेंटली आप रिप्लाई करो तो आपकी वैल्यू कम हो जाएगी. आई डोंट थिंक सो देयर इज एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. आई मीन आई अप्रिशिएट इफ I am texting someone and वो just मेरे को reply कर रहा है, it's like a very nice thing. I mean you are putting efforts into the conversation, so I don't think so anyone should does that कि अच्छा मैं ऑनलाइन हूँ बट मैं 10 मिनट बाद रिप्लाई करूँगा या करूँगी so that मेरी वैल्यू ना कम हो. This is rubbish. Don't do that. Stop doing that. This is actually one of the most irritating things, so stop doing that. This is why boys just late replies even when they like you, because they want to show their importance कि हाँ उनकी भी importance है, and तभी reply नहीं करेंगे so that they don't do despo. There's nothing like that. Chill down. Online बैठे हो तो reply कर दो, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. Thagi, let me have some water, guys. Do boys or girls talk about their feelings with their friends? If they like really love someone and if they're like sure about their feelings, then yeah, I don't think so उसमें कुछ बुरा है. Like अगर आप अपने friend group में बता रहे हो that okay you have like feeling for this particular person, उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है. If you're like sure about that person, like that girl or a boy, कि yeah you love him or you love her, then you should definitely tell your friends about it. And अगर कोई इस चीज़ को हाइड कर रहा है, then I guess they're not sure about their feelings. If they're telling about it, then of course they're very sure. That's why like they're telling कि हाँ I have particular feeling for this person. So yeah, the one who are sure, they definitely talk about it among their friend groups. Next question that we have is, why does guys act different with their guy best friends versus with you? It maybe can be because maybe he wants to make you feel safe and रिस्पेक्टफुल एंड कंफर्टेबल। मे बी अगर अपने दोस्तों के साथ हो कोई अलग लैंग्वेज यूज़ करता है सो और आपके साथ कुछ अलग लैंग्वेज यूज़ करता है, maybe just that you don't feel uncomfortable. So I don't think so there's nothing wrong in this if he's also like acting weird. But if he chooses to talk to you differently just to make you feel a little bit comfortable, then it's actually like a really nice thing. There's nothing wrong in that. So okay, so the next question that we have is, can a situationship really turn into something, or is it just waste of emotions? Firstly, I don't like this word. I don't know. I just don't like this word. But if I'll say कि situationship, most of the cases, yeah, they really turn into something, nicer, because उसमें you are getting to know each other. So maybe it can turn into like a really good thing if like you are equally compatible for each other. But I don't know how to answer this because in some answers के दो अलग-अलग perspectives है. Like it can also turn into a nicer thing, but also turn into a worse nightmare of yours, because most of the cases में situationship turns into like a failure because two people used to like fail to understand each other. But yeah, where both of you know each other well, so yeah, it can turn into like a really healthy relationship or into a nice bond. The next question that we have is it okay to feel left out even if you are surrounded by a group of people? It is totally normal to feel left out even if you are surrounded by people. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि हाँ अगर आप बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ हो तो आपको left out feel नहीं हो सकता. मैं इतनी बारी there like a lot of situation where I felt left out. इतना ध्यान मत दो इतनी छोटी छोटी बातों पे कि हाँ I'm feeling left out, I don't have friends, I don't have that. These things are nothing, believe me. Just love yourself. That is the most important thing that matters. Okay, so thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope this video really helped you, because we used to go in a teenage mind. I tried to answer all of them. I look back, teenage life is like very confusing, very competitive, because you're thinking, oh, if she's wearing this, I'll wear that. If he's doing that, I'll do that. So I'll suggest you guys just don't try to be someone else. मतलब किसी और को देख के don't forget who you are, and it's like a very beautiful phase of your life. At the end, the only thing I would like to say is to love yourself, respect your parents, respect the people who are around you, because this is a very common thing in teenage, the anger issue. Like बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता है, बहुत जल्दी we just think कि हम ही ठीक हैं, and these are like very beautiful years of your life. So explore, and even if you think you have done any mistakes, it's totally normal. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, हर किसी से गलती होती है. Also, if there's anything else I can help you with that, if you really want me to answer some of more questions related to teenage life, then do let me know in the comment section. I would really love to make another part. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Bye. So this is the place where I'm actually recording a Q&A video, you guys. Please don't judge me. This is a restroom. That's me. Tired, very tired. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I really appreciate each and every person who used to subscribe to my channel. And also, if there's anything that you want me to make, some new content ideas, some new Q&A videos, then do let me know. I love to make videos, but you guys really love to see. So I'll see you super soon. Bye bye.